Immoral and unethical. That's Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe's assessment and condemnation of a long Twitter post by Dagoretti South Member of Parliament alleging the government's untruthfulness in the number of coronavirus cases in the country. The Member of Parliament was earlier today summoned by the DCI to provide more information on his claims, including an allegation that there are more than 7,000 people on forced quarantine, contrary to the government's figure of 2,500. Here's NTV's Ken Mijungu with the details.
This long thread posted on Twitter containing information on the coronavirus, which now the government flags as misinformation, is what has landed Dagoretti South Member of Parliament John Kiarie at the police station in Kabete in answer to summons by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations.
Sheria haijui mkubwa ama mdogo. Ukiwa umevunja sheria, utashtakiwa.
In an explosive rant, the legislator accused the government of downplaying the extent of the spread of the coronavirus. He claims there are more than 7,000 people in compulsory quarantine. The government now says his numbers are overly exaggerated, the information obviously false and alarming.
It is really wrong and disheartening for those particularly in leadership to continue perpetuating false information that have got nothing to do with the real cases, trying to gain political mileage.
We are doing what is in our power to do to this response. You understand that funds like NGCDF are not able to react to such an emergency.
According to the Minister of Health, there are only 2,050 individuals under compulsory quarantine. These are close contacts of those who have so far tested positive and they are in close observation.
Huwezi kusema uongo. Sana kulingana na vile tunaona, wewe uanze kuambia watu ati iko wagonjwa wengi kuliko wale tuko nao. Alafu unafikiria hiyo maneno itaenda tu hivyo. Sasa tukiruhusu watu wafanye hivyo jameni.
The government now wants politicians to keep off health matters and wants those peddling false information that action will be taken against them.
Ukiwa mwanasiasa, kama mimi ni mwanasiasa, tafadhalini, sisi wanasiasa, kwa wakati huu, washeni tuweke usiasa upande, tuwashie madaktari wasungumze habari ya hii ugonjwa, hii virusi, kwa sababu wewe sio daktari.
John Kiarie, aka KJ, a comedian turned politician, becomes the third Kenyan to be in trouble over publication of false information. Two bloggers are currently out on bond following the publication on social media unverified, alarming, and information the government says is false regarding the coronavirus. Ken Mijungu, NTV.